Shoom AI is a music AI generator designed to make song creation accessible to everyone. With a simple interface that lowers the barrier for beginners and hobbyists, it promises genre versatility, instrument variety, and even vocal tracks. But experts point out that its lack of transparency about the underlying AI raises questions about reliability and long term potential. Copyright concerns also loom large since AI generated music without significant human input may not be legally protected, making commercial use risky. Compared to rivals like Amper Music, Suno AI, or of course soon Jukebox, Shoom AI's main strength is ease of use, but it lacks unique features to stand out in a crowded market. And in short, Shoom AI is fun and we're trying for casual creators, but serious musicians should proceed with caution until its technology and copyright policies become clear.